Hi, I'm Yasmin, the Skin and Laser Specialist here in Havana in Dundrum, and today we're going to do a tutorial on how to use the Dermaroller. The Dermaroller that we're using today is our amino-acids premium roller, so we'll give you tips and tricks on how to use it at home yourself. So each Dermaroller that you receive is going to be fully sealed in a box and then also in a packet. So put it out. It also comes in its own box inside, so when you finish using it the first time, you can clean it and store it in this box, so you know each time you use it, it's going to be completely clean, especially because it's needles. Okay, so it's all ready to go. We're going to use our hyaluronic filler. So we're going to start on this side in ashling skin, and we're going to roll along the cheek first. So we're just going to move this. If you start by rubbing in the serum first, not too much, so it's still kind of on the surface of your skin. Okay. And with the roller, it's really important that you lift the roller off the skin each time you move it, because you don't want to break the skin. So we're going to start here. We're going to roll back and forth. We're going to lift it off, twist the roller, place it back on the skin and roll it up. And then keep doing so. So as you do the treatment, you will see your skin appearing red. It's normal for you to get little blood spots as well. Don't get a fright, that's good. Our aim is to trigger our collagen, to put it through a challenge, to wake it back up again. How does it feel, Aisling?
It feels okay. It's slightly uncomfortable, but completely bearable.
Do you want to improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, acne scarring, sun-damaged skin, or maybe you have stretch marks? Then this is a perfect product for you. We're recording this video from Havana Skin Clinic as we have just launched our amino-acids Premium Dermaroller. It's an at-home microneedling device, and we're selling it at a whopping 60% discount, as when this product went to manufacture, unfortunately for us, there was a typo on the outside of the box. But luckily for you, we're selling it at 60%. So grab yours in the link below at a whopping 60% off. Thanks so much.